I don't have the money. You know me.
Sorry.
Who is this guy?
I'm sorry.
You are sorry for what?
Sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I was carried away, sir.
Sorry for what? Look at how wide the road is, and you only way you know you can pass is this place.
Tony is okay. He said he's sorry.
Next time you better watch where you're going to.
It's okay. Yes.
Come on, give me that drink.
It's okay. You can go.
My friend, leave.
Tony, it's okay. He's sorry.
What a stupid boy.
Like I was
Please,
saying.
just open your drink and drink before another one.
Thank you. Tony, what kind of thing is this? Now, I told you I'm thirsty, and you're giving me hot drink.
Sorry, I couldn't find cold drink. Just manage this one.
Okay, like I said.
Just drink up, drink up.
Like I said,
Yes.
I don't have the money. The money I was expecting didn't drop.
You are dehydrated. Just finish your drink first. We can continue
Drinking now.
Go ahead.
Are you okay now?
Yes.
Don't worry. As soon as the money drops, I'll send something to you. But I cannot just leave you empty-handed. Let me just find something for you. Okay. Are you my person now?
Yes.
Okay. So you just manage this. Okay, just manage it. You know me now. As soon as the money drops, as soon as I get the money from my business partner, I will call you and I will give you something substantial. Please. You know now.
I don't know.
My party. Please now.
Finish your drink now. Finish your drink.
This is your drink, said that it's not even cold.
I know, but just hydrate yourself. That's the most important thing, okay?
Thank you.
You know I care for you now.
I know. Are you okay now?
Yeah.
Thank you. Alright, I'll see you now. Please. Thank you.
Okay.
Fine boy. Jesus! Ah, Jesus, please. Please take whatever you want, please. Don't hurt me. Whatever you want, please take it. Don't hurt me. Please.
Calm down, ma. Look at me. Look at my face, ma.
Who are you?
Don't you remember me?
Are you not the guy that hits my drink now?
Yes, ma, I'm the one, ma.
So what are you doing in my car?
Ma, the guy you are standing with, I saw him putting a substance in your drink before he came to you. I think he poisoned that drink.
Poison my drink?
Yes, ma.
Tony cannot poison me. He is my childhood friend.
I don't know about that, ma, but I know what I saw, ma. I saw him putting a substance in this drink. That's why I became suspicious. So I followed him till I saw him bringing the drink to you, ma.
Are you serious? Are you sure of what you're saying?
Yes, ma. That's why I decided to go and buy that drink and swap with this one so that I can save your life.
Oh my God. Are you sure about this?
Ma, I have done my part and I have to go. Just be careful of friends you keep.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Just have this.
I want to give you this.
Okay. Thank you. Just have this. Thank you.
Thank you.
Guy. What's up now? How did he go?
Come on, I told you now. The job is done. I watch her drink every drop of it. She's a gunner.
Seriously? She took every bit of it.
Come on, I give you my word.
My guy. That's good.
Alpha, just run my balance. I need to move.
Hey, but I need to wait and confirm she took everything.
Yes.
Wait to confirm what?
I need to wait and confirm she drank everything.
Are you doubting me or something? I told you I watch her drink every drop of the drink. It's just a matter of time the news will fly all over the place.
I understand. But I still need to know she's dead.
Hey,
Before I
don't
pay you.
play smart on me. That was not the deal.
What do you mean by that?
No. Don't play smart on me. That was not the deal. The deal was immediately I did do my own part. You will run my balance to me. I'm leaving this town first thing tomorrow morning. I got no time to wait. Please send my balance to me.
I'm still going to pay you. All I need is to confirm she's dead.
I got no time for that.
What do you mean by that? I can't pay you when I'm not certain she's dead.
That's not the deal. That was not the deal. That was not the deal. The deal was for me to deliver my own part and you run my balance to me.
Come on, guy. I'll pay you when I'm sure she's...
What?
Now what is going on here? Tony, what balance are you two discussing?
How come you are here?
Oh, you're surprised. Eh? You're surprised.
And
Tony.
you're here asking me for balance.
You did what? Thank God for that stranger. You remember that stranger that hit my hand? He saw everything you did. Wait. So you would have ended me? Eh? Because of the money I was supposed to get from her to give to you? Ah, Tony, I'm so disappointed. For Christ's sake, you're my childhood friend. You're my friend. And you? So because of the business I did with you, you don't want to give me my money. Rather, you choose to end me.
What money are you talking about?
Oh, really?
Besides, do you have any proof I'm trying to end you? What are you talking about?
See, no matter what you do, you will give me that money.
I owe you nothing. If you need anything, we need go to the court. I owe you nothing. As for you, just that simple task you could not deliver. You are a disappointment. You see in court.
Rubbish. You? I know how to deal with you. Tony, you decided to align with a stranger to end me. You are my friend. Have I ever wronged you in any way? Each time you come to me for an assistance, I make sure I help you, no matter how little. What have I ever done to you? Eh?
Please, don't give me that attitude. Don't even pretend as if you're my friend. You always help me. I know the way I beg you. I have to go on my knees. I have to beg you before you can be able to offer a little help to me. Isn't it? You know I have loved you all my life. I have tried so much to make you love me back. After all my efforts, after everything I have done, what did you do? You left me and you went to love my friend, my own best friend.
So this is
putting me into an emotional torture, isn't it? And you are here claiming of friendship. What kind of friend are you? No, tell me, what kind of friend are you?
Tony, is it enough for you to end my life?
It's more than enough. It is more than enough.
Tony.
You are so lucky that stranger saved you. You better go and thank your God. Nonsense.
Tony. Honestly, we should be careful with the people around us. This world is so bad. This world is so wicked. I don't know who to trust anymore. My best friend trying to kill me. All because of what? Money.